Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Thulisile Kolweni, and if you're new here, I just want to welcome you and say welcome. This is where you get to see me do the things that I love and share my life experiences. So, and if you are my day one, well, you guys know what it is. Welcome back. Thank you for supporting and thank you for watching this video. I just want to say, if you're new here, please don't leave without subscribing. The subscribe button is somewhere down here, and also if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. I will really appreciate it, and also comment down below. Without me wasting too much of your time, in today's video I am doing a brown smoky eye, or a dark brown smoky eye. So that's what I'm gonna do. As you can see, I've already done my face like I did my brows off camera, and I've also done my foundation off camera. So what I'm gonna do now is do the eyes, and then I'm gonna finish the rest of my face off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final results. So let's get into the video. Palette that I'm gonna be using, I am gonna be using the brown palette, which is the nude palette from Black Up. That's the palette I'm gonna use. I'm also gonna use my Spring Fling palette. That is this one. This Scarlet Hill shades that I'm gonna be using are mostly these two. This one, and that one. So yeah, that's the shades that I'm gonna be using. And in this one, the shades that I am gonna be using will be these two shades. First shade that I'm gonna use is this one right here. I'm gonna use it as my transition shade because it is a little bit lighter. But first, let's actually do this. Me concealer from Maybelline that I'm using. The reason why I am putting that is to correct any dark circles, eye imperfections there, and also so that my eyeshadow, when I put it on, it's gonna be more pigmented and very intense. That's the reason why I put the concealer there. If you don't want to, you don't have to. If you don't want your shade or your eyeshadow to pop more, so you don't really have to. And I'm gonna use this Body Shop brush using the Leafy shade, which is this one right here. That's the shade I'm gonna use as my transition shade. And I'm gonna use that shade, okay. And now, because I want it to be more intense, use this palette, use that shade. It's more like a black brown, but it's still brown. So I'm gonna go back to this palette, and I'm gonna go back to this color, and just make sure that there's no harsh line, like blend the 2 or 3 shades together. Now I'm using a clean brush. It's also from the Body Shop. I'm just gonna make sure it's blended. And I want to go back to the brown that I used and put it in my lower lash. Right, now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm gonna go and finish the rest of my face off camera, and then I will be back with you guys. Alright, I am back. I just want to say thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, and also comment down below if you like the look. I hope you guys like the look and you have enjoyed me creating the look as well. So yeah, thank you so much. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Have a lovely day.